This one is actually my favorite. I don't like a doll. Yeah, this hairstyle is my favorite. It makes me look like this doll. Do you remember this? Yeah. Okay, enjoy. What is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie and you are about to subscribe. Please do subscribe, guys. Join the family. We are at 1,000 subscribers already. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, guys. I really love it. Please comment down below a giveaway suggestion, whatever that you want me to give away. Please do comment down below and I'll look into it. So guys, today's video is a hairstyle tutorial. It is a how to style knotless box braids, butt length knotless box braids. I came up with, I don't know how many hairstyles, but you'll see. I wasn't counting when I was doing the hairstyles, but for sure I will put down the numbers as the video goes on. So if you are interested in seeing all that, of course you're interested, come on. So if you are interested, please do click the like button and share this video and continue watching. Bye. And also comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite. Please watch up until the end so that you are able to decide which style is your favorite, right? Bye.
There's pink black girls in my area code, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, thick lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in the media, bro, wanna fat booty like Kardashians, wanna fat booty like my got a yo, we love the block clock, tell her reload it, I've got the camera, my girls are posing, I need some backup, then my ones are rolling, grown women things, I'm never at risk, mind my own business, I'm never in mess, who am I ain't bae, get a slice of the cake, want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes, keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths, do you, they don't care, do you, they don't care, get your ass at the box and build up from there, I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean, and rock Nikes cause we think they're clean, MJ leather jacket, be Billie Jean, MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad, I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight, we love, we fight, we hurt, we cry, we pay the price, you'll be, I think I need some time away, I took a little time, I pray we gon' be alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, I think I need some time away, I took a little time, I pray we gon' be alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. And you said there's pink black girls, not area codes. These black girls we see in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steaming team. Look at your crown, natural, relax at the Jericho. One time soft and sheen. Wear black girl magic and sometimes blue. My broke a hairband goes too. Raise my voice, you're gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth and now you say that I'm good. Hidden 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving range if you come up to no group. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance as a chief, and I know that my head looks a bit different today. So don't touch my head.
New hair, who this? All black with my jacket and a van two twist. Look, mind over matter, I can handle this. We're fine, take a second of awards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all of some cover the air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my tries. I was like back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it, the growth, the lies, the pain, the fight, we love, we fight, we hurt, we cry, we pay the price, you'll be.
I think I need some time away, I took a little time, I pray we gon' be alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. I think I need some time away, I took a little time, cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat booty like Kardashians. Wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo. We like the blood clot, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown women things, I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't babe, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, cause you gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, be Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad.
I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. And you said this pink black girls, not area codes. These black girls we see in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we gotta see a million teams. Look at your crown, natural, relax at the Jericho. One time soft and sheen. Wear black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, you're gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood. Hidden 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving range, you think I'm up to no good. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance, let us achieve, and I know that my head looks a bit different today. So don't touch my head.
New hair, who this? All black bomber jacket and a van two twist. Look, mind over matter, I can handle this. We're fine, take a second of awards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all of some cover sea air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my tries. I was black back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it.
The growth, the lies, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you'll be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. Think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright,
There's pink black girls in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat booty like Kardashians. Wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo. We like the blood clot, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown women things, I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't babe, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, cause you gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, be Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad.
I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. And you said this pink black girls, not area codes. These black girls we see in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we gotta see a million teams. Look at your crown, natural, relax at the Jericho. One time soft and sheen. Wear black girl magic is sometimes blue. My
broke her hair bangles. Raise my voice, you gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth and now you say that I'm hood. Kid at 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving range if you come up to no groove. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance, let us achieve, man. And I know that my hair looks a bit different.